Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Kind of a cool 3D looking twisted graphic. I think I'll do it with a different color this time, but if you will take a screenshot of that right there. The most important thing you could do is to start in the center of the page with a six-sided star. That's going to help you a lot. And then hit P. Then you can turn that star into a five-sided star, but it's still in the center. I'm going to go to effects and contour that star. I picked 1.86 inches. It doesn't really matter what size you do. I'm going to go to object and break the contour part. I've got my nudge factor set on 20 inches so I can nudge that out of the way. I'm going to take this outer star and go to object and convert it to a curve. And when I do that, I get these nodes. Now I'm going to open up before I could pick them before, but I'm going to do it afterwards. Dockers and corners, and this opens up. I'm going to take the shape tool and select all 10 nodes, but then I'm going to hold down the shift key and deselect the inner ones and then round off the corners. That might actually be a little bit too much. And don't hit P, put it back with your nudge. Now there's two circles we're going to put. We're going to take the first one. I use the 3-point curve line. I think it's the best way to do it because you can get a more natural, clean curve. I'm going to put it right there to right there, and I'm going to hold down the control button and get a curve. Now, right in about here, a little ways down, you're going to go to this point. So get your 3-point curve line and go about from right there to right there, and then just holding down the control button. See how it makes a good little arch? Now, take your Smart Fill tool and fill in that new part. Control D to make a duplicate, alternate C to have it rotate from the center. And because it's five-sided, we're going to rotate it 72 degrees. Take this and go left click, right click, and that's what we need right there. This one's going to be quite a bit different from the first one. I didn't make the stars a little more stubby. But I'm going to take this blue away now, and I'm going to fill this in. I could have used, well, you know what? Let's use that blue. So I'm going to use that blue on both these. I'm going to take away that new shape. I just needed that new shape for this part. I'm going to grab that, get my interactive fill tool. And you know, I normally use black, but you know what? I'm going to use a light blue on this and see what it looks like. Maybe you can come in a little bit more. And then take this one and do the same thing outwardly. I normally would do the opposite, put a little black right there, but that might look pretty cool. Anyway, you can take your star away now, both of them. And actually there's a red line there, so just select it all and right click, no outline. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, alternate C to have it rotate 72 degrees. I just hit 72, Control D, Control. So whenever you mess up, Corel will do that. So just go again, Control D, alternate C, 72 degrees, Control D, Control D, Control D. I don't like it as much as the black. I just want to see what it, okay, I don't want to smart fill that cube. I want to just fill it in. Object, order, backup page. Yeah, that doesn't do anything for me. So you could you're still there. Just delete all these other ones. I don't like that that one is so short. And I'm going to ungroup this. And I'm going to grab that one again. I'll pick it with the pick tool. And let's go to the interactive fill tool, but this time let's put black. And I really don't like that, why that is so short. I don't know what I did differently. Well, I guess I rounded off my corners more. That's what it is. That might look pretty cool. So group this together, Control G, Control D, alternate C, 72 degrees, Control D, Control D, Control D. A little bit better. I'm not real particular about the color, but it is. And it would look a lot better if that line was longer. And see the difference with this star, I just rounded off the corners too much. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.